I really do like finding good sculpting brush packs for Blender. They make sculpting so much more fun and you can add details quickly and easily, and you can push your sculpts to a really high level of detail with ease. I managed to create this strange beast in under 30 minutes, and I'm not saying it's amazing, but I was just playing around and trying out the brushes to see what they were like, and by the end of it I came up with this crazy monstrosity which you can see here. And when I saw this 27 brush pack bundle come up on Bundle Foundry, I had to get it as it's such a great deal. There's hundreds of brushes in total, and I had to share it because it's really fun to use. And there's a free pack available, but they're limited, so make sure you get in quick. The link for the bundle is in the description. It's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, just helps to support my channel. And as always, I only promote things that I actually think are really good or would personally use myself, which you can see me using here. So this is the new Blender Creature Brush Bundle from Bundle Foundry. There are 3 tiers, and the £10 tier looks very decent in itself. You get 5 packs, and then you get 10 packs for £18. Obviously, prices will vary depending on your location. And then 27 packs for £32. And then there's a mystery tier as well. What's nice is it's really easy to add these brushes. You just chuck the blend files into your asset folder and they'll appear in your sculpting workspace. It is important to say though, it's not a complete fix to bad sculpts, and you can't replace good understanding of anatomy and structure with brush packs alone. But the combination of good fundamentals with brushes like these is really powerful. So happy sculpting. Share your creations with me by tagging me on social media. You can see my social media links in the description. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.